Well, hello, how are you? Hey, I am in the middle of the desk project, but I wanted to do a quick video on glue-on edge banding. You know what that is? Well, let me show you. So what we have here is a nice piece of oak, but it's not a nice solid piece of oak. It is a nice solid piece of plywood, oak plywood, but I've edge banded it. So if you can look right here, it looks like it's a solid piece of oak. Now I'm going to show you how to make this side into this side. Okay, so here's the finished side. Now we're going to take the other side of the plywood and we're going to make it look like it's a solid piece of oak. And we're going to do that with this. It's iron-on edge banding. It's got dried on glue on one side, and we're going to cut it, place it on just like this, and we're going to actually iron it on, and the heat from the iron will melt the glue and stick to this side of the wood, and then I'll show you how to trim it off. Okay, so you simply lay it down a little at a time as you iron it on. Okay, now we'll let it cool. Okay, it's cooled and we're back, and now we're gonna trim it off. If you notice, it's, sticking out on the sides, but I'm gonna use this. It's a trimmer, edge band trimmer. It's got some razor blades in it, and it's made specifically for this job. So I will do this. And then sand it down with, I like to use a real heavy grit initially, just to get the edges off. And then like a 120 grit. And there you go, see? Looks like it's one solid piece of wood. And that's how they do it in the big times, folks. So there you go. Thanks for paying attention and not falling asleep.